If your team is manually dialing leads one by one, or your CRM needs to kick off a call the moment a lead comes in, this is how you automate that with Dograh. Hi, I'm Rushil. Now you have got a working agent, but the real question is, how do you plug it into your business? Let's say you have leads or accounts sitting in your CRM or Google Sheet. Each row has details like customer name, company name, amount due. So today I'll be showing you how to use these details and make personalized calls using your Dograh agents. So let's go to Dograh dashboard, and here just click on add node and add the topmost API trigger node. And with that node, you can start the call and pass that data into the agent as initial context. So instead of the agent asking basic setup questions, it can directly use values like the name of the debtor, the company name, and the debt amount. So let me just show you where that appears in the workflow. In the opening node, the agent says, am I speaking with initial context debtor name? And then in the next node, in the debt disclosure node, it uses initial context as client name or company name and the debt amount. So the details like name and amount are not hard-coded inside the agent, they come from the API call. So before triggering calls, go to the developer portal and generate yourself an API key, because that is what we are going to use in the request header. So now let's open the API trigger node. Quick tip, every node has a docs link at the top right here. So if you get stuck or want to go deeper, you can open the docs directly. So now here you get a test URL and a production URL. Test URL runs your latest draft. Production URL runs your published agent. It is important if you make any changes to the agent and want to use the production URL, publish the agent first, otherwise the production will still run the older version. Since I am still testing this setup, I'll use the test URL right here and trigger the call from Postman. In the body, I am sending phone number and initial context. Inside initial context, I am passing the debtor name, client name, and debt amount. In the headers, I'll add the API key and content type. And the body could come from your CRM, Google Sheet, or backend. Now let's just send it. So yeah, here I have received the call.
Hi, this is Alex from Apex Recovery Solutions. Am I speaking with Rushil?
Yes.
Thanks. I'm calling about your quick credit account with an outstanding balance of $3,500. Are you able to take care of that today, or should I note a payment date?
Yes, I'm going to pay the full amount tomorrow.
Thank you. I'll note that. Have a good day.
And that's it. The call was short because the agent already had the context before the call started. In the next video, we'll take the data the agent extracted from this call and send it back to your system automatically using the webhook node. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.